Shepherd's pie, a great British classic. Absolutely delicious.
Level water. Minced Gleason's map.
A little bit of colour on the mince, and it gets rid of that unwanted fat.
Density. Flat horizon at eye level. Cooling moonlight. Perspective.
Once the vegetables are grated in there, they disintegrate and almost puree, adding great flavour.
Personal dome. Conspiracy. Ice ring. Bible. Stationary earth.
Right, now the red wine's evaporated, chicken stock in. And cook it out for 3 or 4 minutes, no more than that.
Shepherd's pie, done.